Book of Heaven, Volume 12, November 29th, 1918. One who goes out of the divine will, goes out of the light. Finding myself in my usual state, I was praying my always lovable Jesus, that today, as he had promised me another time, that when the soul always does his will, sometimes he consents to do the will of the soul. So I said to him, "Today you really have to do my will." And Jesus, on coming, told me,
"My daughter, don't you know that as the soul goes out of my will, it is like a day without sun for her, without heat, without the life of the divine attitude within her?
And I, my love, may heaven keep me from doing this. I would rather die than go out of your will. Therefore, place your will in me, and then say to me, 'It is my will that today I do your will.'" And Jesus,
"Ah, bad little one. All right, I will make you content. I will keep you with me as long as I want, and then I myself will leave you free."
oh, how content I was, that without doing my will, Jesus, identifying his will with mine, while doing his will, would do mine. Then, afterwards, my lovable Jesus spent some time with me, and it seemed that he was dipping the point of his finger in his most precious blood, and would pass it over my forehead, my eyes, my mouth, my heart, and then he kissed me. In seeing him so affectionate and sweet, I tried to suckle from his mouth the bitternesses which his heart contained, as I used to do before. But Jesus immediately drew back a little bit and showed me a bundle which he had in his hand, full of other scourges. And he told me,
"Look at how many other scourges are there to be poured upon the earth. This is why I do not pour into you. The enemies have prepared all the internal plans to make revolutions. Now there is nothing left but to finish preparing the external plans. Ah, my daughter, how my heart grieves. I have no one with whom to pour out my sorrow. I want to pour it out with you. You will have patience in hearing me speak very often about sad things. I know that you suffer because of it, but it is love that pushes me to do this. Love wants to make its pains known to the beloved. I almost would not be able to do without coming to pour myself out with you."
I felt ill in seeing Jesus so embittered. I could feel his pains in my heart, and Jesus, to cheer me, gave me a few sips of a most sweet milk to drink. And then he added,
"Now I withdraw and I leave you free."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.